welcome to Tuscany. Welcome to our new home, new guest concept here in Tuscany, and we would like to show you around. Are you ready for a tour?
Welcome to our YouTube channel, Living the Villas. I'm Catherine, and this is Erik. We build houses in Italy and live on a boat during the summer. 2 of our houses are located in Piemonte, and the last one on Lake Como. In the season, we use the houses in our guest concept, and in the winter, we enjoy and maintain the properties here in Italy. We left the treadmill in Denmark and are now testing another way of living here in Italy and on board our Greenline 40 hybrid, exploring the world. Follow us on our adventures and please like and subscribe. That's what we YouTubers live for.
I'll spare you for more bikini. This is where we started, the swimming pool area, and up here we will, when we got all the trees cut, probably have a very amazing view from the dining table. This is going to be the outdoor dining area, and covered. Let's see what we can get permit for. And in here we will also have a long dining table. 3 big chandeliers from floss over this long table, which is going to seat 20 people. The old fireplace in a very beautiful stone. I'm looking so much forward to clean up, and let's see what it will look like. And with some openings here so you get more light in the room. And
Let's
here,
see. Maybe we should tell that this is the main house, the old farmhouse. It's 400 something square meters.
yes,
Sorry for you Americans, I don't know what it is in square, but this is the main house.
yeah, I think you can just put a 0 on it, and then you have it in square feet,
Okay.
approximately. This is hopefully going to be a wine cellar. Glass part here. Once there were chicken in here, in the halls, laying their eggs. Yeah, as it is an old farmhouse. Here we'll have a lounge area. We'll take down a wall into the dining area. And here with a large kitchen, ovens, big refrigerators, dishwashers, and space for cooking and so on. And up here we'll have we call it like a sandwich bar, because this is going to be the area where you can make drinks and cocktails and so on. There'll be an ice cube maker and so on, so we can do all the aperitivo while people are working in the kitchen doing food. And then a lot of bedrooms. In here, we'll like to have an opening here so you can go out that way, and a large opening for the bathroom ensuite to this room, and another bathroom that will be connected to this room. And of course we'll put up some doors here and a big wall here with the insulation in, because we're going to have 1 double bed here, 1 double bed here, and both rooms hopefully with access to outside. And this bedroom is going to continuously have this opening to its own private bathroom. This will be closed, and with 2 shower heads here and a small lock up, small wall, so you have a toilet here, but no door. So that's the plan of this room. And let's go upstairs. Originally this was actually outside, because we had the animals down here, cows and so on, and then the family lived up here, and I think...
Actually, we heard that 20 people lived in the house back in the days.
Yeah, and that's only the main house.
Yeah, in the main house.
Yeah. Fireplace here will take away this and make it modern, and the original, I think it was original, the kitchen sink. So, but we'll keep this. It's very, very cute and small. In here, another bedroom. We had the kids here, so actually we cleaned up so we could have room for them. Bathroom out here, so another bedroom with a bathroom ensuite. Down here, long corridor. Don't know if some lights works. One more double room here, and it will have a pretty large bathroom ensuite here. And these ceilings, the rooms here, is old Tuscan ceiling, and it shouts out for some very modern, stylish flush lamps. And that bathroom is going to be connected to the last bedroom because it has a very small bathroom, so it will be like double size of this and one more bedroom here.
Maybe we should mention that the main house will, after the renovation, contain 6 double rooms. Yes. Each with its own bathroom.
Yeah. Should we go and take a look at the other houses?
Yes, let's have a look downstairs.
So many houses.
So little time.
Yeah. Nice stairs down here. Let's see what we are going to do with this, and make some nice lavender here, and going to change the surface of this because this gravel, you slip on it, so we have to change it so it's more nice for everybody to walk on. This is the second house. This was originally a hayloft. You can also see with the bricks here, so it has ventilation. We have made this for our little
camp
base.
Our little camp.
Yeah.
Working camp. We had architects and geometers and people measuring the whole house.
Just before everybody went on vacation, they came up and were here like for 5-6 hours and doing a lot of measurements. So I think they'll be very exact, precise. In here, we will continue having a bedroom up here and probably also a bed here. So it could be more like a family room.
We have to put up a wall there.
Yeah, here, a wall here with the sliding doors. So it could probably be a very good family room with a small sofa, living area here.
Shared bathroom.
And a shared bathroom. So this is for a family. And the last house is the old, what's called, pig stable?
I don't know.
I think.
Yeah.
Also animals. This is countryside. It's there's a lot of old farmhouses in the area, and a lot of them are owned by Belmont. So they have also a lot of vacation houses and so on. But this will continue being in the style we normally do. Closing here, so you have one room here, another bedroom here, like the other room I just explained about. So it will be like a small family room, and the bathroom, it will be extended so it's a little larger, so you are comfortable and spacious here.
We can talk a little bit about our concepts compared to, example, Belmont hotels, which is a little bit different from them.
Yeah,
they're reaching out for the real luxury guests with a lot of money, where we are also making luxury, but in our way, so it's more
the larger middle group, if we could put it like that.
Yeah, it's more affordable and hard to explain.
Yeah. Here as well, bathroom here will put up walls and close walls, and this is the stairs that will be closed. So this is going to be one bedroom, including a bathroom in the area over here. Should we go that way?
No, I think we should go
take
the
it
other
from
way
the
for
outside,
for the understanding of everything.
Yeah. Pool area.
This house we call House by the Pool, funny enough.
Yeah. Let's. And this were like for the pigs,
to go outside
and enjoy the mud.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called in
No.
English. If you want to see the style and the quality we normally decorate in, I will put up some links for the other houses, and there will be a modern but still Scandinavian and Italian style compared. Have a look at the website.
Yeah. In here we'll make a pool kitchen, so you have your cold beverage and everything when you are in the area of the pool. And in here, I don't know if we should put that in. Yeah, toilet for the pool area as well.
Pool toilet and a little magazzino in the storage. And here we have the nice pool area. Tell us a little bit about what your ideas is.
Yeah. We've been talking a lot about the surface and what are we allowed to. The first idea is something we're not allowed to because this is Tuscany, the architects told us. And this is very classic with this terracotta in this area. But this is actually also very classic. It's travertine. It's very open marble stone, but it's also kind of pricey. So let's see what we are going to have for a surface here, and maybe we're going to continue with a black pool as we normally do, because we find it very cool in the look of it. So let's see.
And because a black swimming pool reflects the nature around the swimming pool.
This is extremely loud to look at this blue color, but it looks refreshing, but it shouts out. So yeah, not really what we like. And then the lounge area we're going to have here. That's also important.
Sofa, covered area, sofa for relaxing and gaming
and for all the people who would like to be by the pool, but not in the sun, in a sunbed or something. So for
a lot of work to be done.
Yes.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.